Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to transfer files from Google Drive to a USB flash drive. If you need an offline copy for backup or file sharing, we will walk you through the simple steps to download and move your files safely. Let's get started. On your Google Drive dashboard, we will download these files and transfer them to a USB drive. All you need to do is highlight the three files, then right-click and click Download. Let's wait for the download to finish. As you can see, the files are preparing for download. They will be saved as a zip file, so everything downloads together. Let's wait for this to finish. Once the download is complete, we will head to your documents. When we navigate to Downloads, you can see the file we just downloaded from Google Drive. All we need to do is right-click the file and select Extract All. After extraction, the three files will appear. To transfer them, we simply highlight the files again, right-click, and click Copy. Then we go to the USB drive. Here, we have a USB drive ready to use. We can now paste the files here. That's it. The files are now successfully transferred from Google Drive to the USB flash drive. With this method, we will always have a portable backup ready whenever we need it.